Coming at y'all with another free game video, you guys. We got the 27 things under $50 that will definitely indeed improve your sneaker game, you guys. Let's get straight to it. I got a whole list that we got to go ahead and run through. I'm going to keep it short and simple. I'm not going to really expand too much. I'm going to keep this like real clear and just make sure you guys can just get the point. But with that being said, let's go ahead and hop straight into it. The first thing I got for you guys is a shoe cleaner kit. Now, you actually don't have to have a shoe cleaner kit because I'm actually going to drop a video on how to clean your sneakers. I'm not sure if it's going to come before or after this video, but I definitely put an info card up here if it is already out. But with that being said, you guys don't even really need a shoe cleaner kit. I'm not going to lie, you guys can go ahead and use at-home products, which is what the video is going to be about. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for that video, but for now, just know you can cop a shoe cleaner kit and that will definitely go ahead and improve your overall style game, not gonna lie. Now we got sneaker shields, you guys, or you could also call them the sneaker protectors, crease protectors. I dropped a video just this week, and at the time of recording, it is Friday, March the 7th. I dropped a video, I believe it was on Wednesday or Thursday, and it was on how crease protectors work. If you guys don't know how they work already, they basically just prevent your shoes from creasing whenever you go ahead and make a step. But with that being said, you guys, I'm pretty sure you had some experience with them. But if you haven't, these are amazing. They're lifesavers. They basically save money on your sneakers, especially the expensive ones. But with that being said, definitely essential, I can't lie. And if you want to keep your sneakers pristine at all times, you guys, this is definitely one of the ways to go ahead and do it. Now we got a shoe horn, you guys. A shoe horn, if you guys don't know already what they are, they basically go ahead and slip your feet into the shoe a little easier. If I can go ahead and find a video or find something to make this a little more easier for you guys to picture, easier for you guys to just envision in your head, I'll put a picture or a video on the screen. But these shoe horns are very affordable, very easy to get, and it's just like a piece of plastic, to be honest. It's nothing real crazy, real cheap, I'm not gonna lie, and it just makes it overall, as I was saying, easier to go ahead and slide your feet into the sneakers without damaging the heel. Next things we got is the mesh sneaker bags, you guys. I'm not sure if you guys had one of these as a child, but I definitely did. I ain't gonna lie, I was hooping when I was a kid. I was just always outside doing something. And if I actually had an NBA bag that was kind of like a string bag type of thing, which I would categorize this as a mesh sneaker bag. But these just, in all, they just protect your sneakers when you're traveling. You go ahead and have them like a book bag or whatever. And it just, yeah, you just carry it around with you. When it's time to hoop, you're ready at all times. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the shoe freshener sprays, you guys. For them people that have feet stinking, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't one of them. I ain't gonna lie, my feet be smelling straight at all times. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that down below in the comments. Do y'all feet stink when y'all be wearing them? But yeah, you just keep your sneakers smelling fresh. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory and got really too much explaining to do with that. Now we got the lace locks, you guys. Lace locks, I don't really see too many people doing this, but this is definitely a way you can go ahead and improve your sneaker game. I know a lot of people, maybe you don't tie your shoes, maybe you just maybe your shoes get loose a lot. These lace locks will definitely get you right, and they'll give you that secure lacing. So with that being said, that is our lace locks. Now the silica gel packs, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this a lot. These are things I think they normally say on them, like do not eat or just like hazard or something like that. This shouldn't be around kids, which is definitely indeed true. But these right here just keep the moisture away from your sneakers, and they basically help combat the unpleasant odors that often plague shoes. So with that being said, you guys, silica gel packs pretty cheap. And yeah, we got the anti-slip insoles, you guys. It says it in the name, you guys. You guys should already get what I'm trying to put down. But these insoles basically allow you to just slide less when you have your shoes on. And when it says insole, it actually means the inside of your shoe. So these go inside of your shoe. And yeah, they just add that also comfort and support to your shoes. Another thing we got is the shoe deodorizer balls. I'm sure you guys have seen these a lot. In a little store, I can think at the top of my head, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like my dad is definitely a victim of smelly feet, or just whatever you want to call it, because he used to have them shoe balls in his hooping shoes, which I guess is understandable, but I feel like I never really had to deal with that issue. But yeah, these shoe balls just basically, it's like a deodorant for your shoes. You feel me? They just keep it clean. They keep them feeling smelling fresh at all times. Now we got reflective laces, you guys. These are another uncommon one, but these basically just add some shine and visibility to your shoes. We got premium sneaker laces. Premium sneaker laces, basically go ahead and upgrade your laces with that premium, colorful, and patterned look. So if you definitely want some more just different look to your sneakers, want to switch it up a little bit, add some new to the table, I definitely would say that them premium sneaker laces are one you should definitely go ahead and invest in. And I mean, you guys, it's less than $50, you guys. This is real easy to invest in. It's not something too crazy. And a lot of these you can use with multiple different shoes. It doesn't have to be just one. You can go ahead and switch them up, put them in another shoe. Like, it's really like interchangeable. But moving on, we got some shoe inserts for arch support. I know a lot of people may have troubles with their foot arches, so they may have to have those shoe inserts. Feel free, y'all. Like, you gotta do what you gotta do at the end of the day. And these basically they add that added comfort, especially for those flat sneakers. I know a lot of people had that arch support issue with them flat sneakers, and this will definitely solve your issue. With that being said, now we got sneaker cleaning wipes, you guys. I actually have had these a couple times, and I'll be honest, I feel like you don't really have to have these, but I feel like since I was making this video, I feel like it would be good to add into the video. I definitely would say you can go ahead and just use a paper towel, water, and maybe some soap, depending on how dirty your shoes are. You can also add a toothbrush in that mix, to be honest, if you really want to clean your sneakers. But that's a little too much again I'm giving y'all, because I'm supposed to be dropping that how to clean your sneakers. But you feel me? I just got to give y'all this information, keep y'all on game. We got another thing, sneaker protector spray, you guys. My friend put me onto this, I'm not gonna lie, probably a year or two back. We used to be going out, having a good time, and that was when my Air Forces were clean. I wish I had them with me right now, but they were clean, like pristine clean. But I feel like after going out, doing all that crazy stuff, I feel like my shoes really got dirty. But yeah, these sneaker protector sprays, man, it's like having like a casing over your shoes, and it's almost like they don't really get that dirty. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I feel like you guys have to really just use it for yourself. But I definitely feel like this is a good investment, especially if you have some white sneakers, you guys. But yeah, these definitely, they just waterproof your kicks, and they go ahead and protect against those stains. Now we got shoe trees, you guys. These basically just keep your sneakers in the best shape when they're not in use. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these at the sneaker stores. I'm gonna show you guys a picture on the screen right now. But these basically, they're kind of like a crease protector in a way, but they just they do the exact same thing, but they're kind of spread along the whole shoe, if that makes sense. But it'll make more sense when I show you guys a picture on the screen. We got sneaker storage boxes, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen them along a bunch of different creators on YouTube, you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first creator you're watching. But with that being said, if I am, I'm going to show you a picture on the screen. But these sneaker boxes are amazing, you guys. I definitely recommend getting the clear ones, just so you can go ahead and see through them and just look at your amazing collection, because it looks dope. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to definitely have one in the future. Don't have one yet, but it's definitely gonna be there in the future. But these look dope. They're basically stackable, and they keep your sneakers visible but also organized at the same time. We got another one, which is shoe polish. Shoe polish basically restores the color and shine of your leather or suede sneakers. I know a lot of people have struggles cleaning their leather, and I also heard in a previous public interview on a sneaker, I think it was the Jordan 4 Black Fears, or the Fear 4s. I said Black Fears. They are black, but they're not the Black Fears. But a lot of people said that they have trouble cleaning their suede sneakers, and this is a solution, you guys. So yeah, go ahead and invest you in some shoe polish if you need to go ahead and up that shine in your leather and suede sneakers. Now we got some sneaker sole shields, you guys. These are not the regular sneaker shields, but they actually protect the sole, you guys. So these basically, as you guys can kind of get what I'm putting down, the sole is the bottom part of your shoe, and these shields basically go ahead and protect the soles from excessive wear. I know a lot of people care about their sneakers, you guys. You want to keep them clean and fresh so you can have that style on fleek at all times. So this is definitely a way you can go ahead and protect the soles. Now, another thing we got is some sole cleaning brushes. I know a lot of people have, or even not even a lot of people, like I'm excluding myself from this, but even I have trouble with this. Sole cleaning is definitely a good thing to do if you want to keep your sneakers clean. But now that I think about it, this one is just one of those things where it's like you don't really have to do it, but I guess it's a good thing to have if you're just like a real clean freak. But I feel like at the end of the day, the sole of your shoe is always going to get dirty because you're going to be stepping at all times. So I feel like regardless, you're definitely going to be cleaning this at all times if you want to get this brushed. But by any means, if you do want to keep the bottom of your soles clean, go ahead and get you one of the sole cleaning brushes. Now, I believe we're coming along the last couple of ones. We got customizable tags, you guys. And these tags, you can go ahead and personalize the name or logo tags for your sneakers. This is kind of like a Nike by you, but like a do-it-yourself type of version. But yeah, if you definitely want to go ahead and do like a little personal touch to your sneakers, I would definitely say this is a great way to do it. We got sneaker bags, you guys. This is a different type of bag. Not the same as before, but these sneaker bags can go ahead and help, again, when you're traveling. There are a bunch of different sneaker bags you guys can go ahead and check out. But with that being said, now that we're on the topic of things that you can get, I know I normally do a lot of affiliate links on my channel for like sneakers and things of that nature. But you guys also let me know how you guys feel about me giving you guys links to things like this, because I mean, it would be not too much work, but I definitely would be up for it if you guys do want it, and I just don't want to do it if nobody wants me to do it. But let me know down below in the comment section if you guys definitely do want that, and I definitely got y'all, no cap, because y'all know I pull through every time. So we got the suede cleaner, you guys. This is basically for just maintaining delicate materials, and yeah, not really too much to say about that. We've got a sneaker keychain for all my diehard sneakerheads. We got a sneaker keychain just to show off your love for sneakers, and this is just a real fun accessory, and I guess it could be a conversation starter, I'm not gonna lie. So we got shoe clips, you guys. Shoe clips is another uncommon one. I haven't really seen these too much in person, but these definitely decorate and add the unique touch to your own kicks. Now we got the leather conditioner. This basically keeps your leather sneakers basically smooth. This basically just nourishes and protects the leather, helping to restore that new look and finish. Coming in at our last two ones, you guys, we got shoe inserts for cushioning. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like this one should have been way higher in the list. But yeah, these shoe inserts for cushioning are definitely one of them things that I feel like is an essential. And now that I think about it, in high school, a lot of people used to have these, but instead of them just being for cushioning, they used to add these really thick soles to add height on their shoes. Let me know if y'all had a story on those. But I ain't gonna lie, I used to have a lot of people back in when I was high school wear these type of shoe inserts that give them extra height, especially all the hoopers out there. But yeah, that's low-key a gem, I'm not gonna lie. And they just give you that extra comfort in every single step. But the last that I didn't want to tell you guys is about the sneaker print t-shirts. You can go ahead and get apparel to go ahead and match your sneakers, you guys. And they don't have to even be a lot. They can be graphic tees, kind of like a matching set type of thing. And it basically would just highlight your sneaker collection and things of that nature. That being said, which one do I think is going to improve your sneaker game the most? If I had to pick a top 3, it would definitely be sneaker inserts, meaning them sneaker shields. Another one would be shoe cleaner kit, but you don't have to have it, but it's just a good thing to have to always clean your sneakers. And the last and final thing that I'm going to say that I believe is one of the top 3 things that can improve your sneakers is probably the sneaker protector spray. That is my final 3, you guys. The sneaker protector spray, the shoe cleaner kit, and also the shoe shields. But with that being said, you guys, I hope you guys like this free game video. If you do want to see some more free game from me, go ahead and click the playlist up here.